If you're an AI creator, come forward. This video is for you. I tested 3 AI video generating tools, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you my results, what I found out, and how well these tools performed. Because let's be honest, it's one thing to hear that the tool is free. It's another thing to spend your data, your time, resources, energy. You go and log in, you explore the tool, you start learning it, and then only for you to discover that it doesn't quite give what you expected. That can really be exhausting. So to help you avoid this stress, I took my time to test these 3 AI videos myself. And in this video, I'll be showing you the process, I'll be showing you the results I got, what I liked, what I didn't like, and at the end of the video, I'm going to be sharing with you my honest feedback and opinion. So if you're just coming across my YouTube channel, my name is Christy Daniel. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share this video. Let's get into it. Number 1 on the list is Gwen AI. Now you can access this tool through your web browser or simply downloading the app from your app store. And once you download it to your mobile phone, you click to the tool just like I did, and you're going to see this interface here. So this is where you're going to be creating your video. It is a very simple and easy to use tool. To create your video, click on the plus sign. It takes you directly to where you have upload files, upload video. Click on photo and select your preferred photo. Once you do that, your photo is going to upload in the description box where you have it here. And once that is done, the next step is for you to just go ahead and click the arrow. Just hit the arrow and the photo will upload into the space. Once the photo is uploaded, you're going to see analyzing photo. Just go ahead and click on the photo and it brings you to this space. This is where you're going to be creating your video. So go ahead and click make video, that is at the bottom of the screen. It is going to highlight the photo as something you can use to generate a video in the description box. And here you have describe the video you want to generate. So the next thing is for you to go ahead and paste your prompt. I already have a prompt. I'm going to go ahead and paste it. Once I paste it, I'll hit the arrow and the video will start generating. It is a simple and seamless tool to use. It is not complicated at all. Just follow these exact steps and your video will start generating. So one thing about this tool that I observed is that it takes quite a bit of time for your video to generate. Remember, it is a free tool. And daily, I have been able to generate up to 5, sometimes 8 videos per day using the app, the mobile app on my phone. And it is quite efficient, although in my observation, you don't overwhelm it with too much language when you're uploading your prompt. But make sure your prompt is clear enough. So I wrote here, she looks at the screen and softly says, and this tool is going to give me exactly that. It's not going to improvise. It's not going to give me something quite different. It's going to give me exactly what I prompt. In this case, you're going to see that it is what you put in that you're going to get out. So I'm going to show you the result. The video is generating. Like I said, it takes quite a bit of time. So let's wait for it to fully generate. This video got stuck at 25%, and for close to 10 minutes, it was at that 25%. This has not been my experience in previous times I've used it. So in this case, I guess what you need to do is close the app and then come back. Once you come back, you're going to see that the video is fully generated. So you go off the app and then you come back. Once you come back, click on these 3 dots at the top of the screen. Once you click on it, you're going to see this space. Just click on assets and you're going to see the videos you have generated so far. So I'm going to click on this one that was generated today, and this is our video. So this is one hack you can use for your video generation, and you're going to, instead of sitting on the app waiting for hours without getting your result, just go off the app, come back, and you're going to see your video generated.
The future belongs to creators who learn fast.
The next tool I tested is VEO AI Free. To use it, you go to your browser and search for VEO AI Free. Once you type it, you see these options that pop up. Click on the first option that pops up and it takes you to this space. Now with this particular tool, you don't need to log in, you don't need to sign up. You can go ahead and start creating. It's just like a website where you go and you see the entire interface open for use. Now the first time I heard of this tool, I was excited. I ran to it. I wanted to see how I'm going to be generating some videos without burning some credits. Now this is the interface, and it says Google VEO AI video generator, and it goes on to explain the things it creates videos for YouTube, Instagram, and the rest. And then you have this interface. You can scroll down to see their templates, videos they've uploaded, and all the other information. If you click on open menu at the top of the screen, you're going to see all AI tools. Now this tool says it generates VEO 3.1. You can create photo to video. You have C-Dance 2. You have text to speech. You also have text to video, and the rest. So now I'll click on all tools and it brings me to this space where it says cinematic video. One thing to note about this particular space or platform is that you will see lots of ads popping up, scroll ads, ads on the side, ads in the column, etc. There's so many ads. So once you scroll down, you see all the available tools as we mentioned earlier and what you can create or generate on this particular tool. So now let's explore using Grok to create our video. We'll go ahead and click on Grok and it brings us to this interface where we have video generator, you have image generator, and the rest. If an ad pops up, just go ahead and click on the arrow up and the ad will go off. You can continue creating. So once you do that, you're going to see this space where you have write your prompt here. Let's try creating text to video. So we're going to paste our prompt in the description and have it generate a video. Now this is a prompt already generated from ChatGPT, so I'm going to go ahead and paste it in the description box. Click here to see the various Grok model and other options. So once you click on it, you see Grok 4 and Grok 4.5. So select Grok 4.5. Video generation, leave it at 1. Change the aspect ratio. If you want it to be landscape, that's fine. But in this case, I'm going to leave it as portrait. Then when you scroll down, you see there's an option for you to even enhance your prompt. So we'll just leave it that way and then we'll click on generate and the video will start generating. Now my observation with this particular tool is that there's a lot of options for video generation. You have VO 3.1, you have Seedance 2, you also have Grok's latest model available on this tool. You also have text to video option, you have image to video, you even have text to speech. So it is more like an all-in-one tool that can help you generate your videos. It will actually be a stress-free tool. Another thing is that the tool doesn't even require you to sign up. If you're worried about putting your email on it, they don't even want you to put it. You can just go ahead and start generating your video. The downside is the fact that, of course, it's a free tool, so you get to watch all these ads on the screen, the scrolls, the pop-ups, etc. My honest feedback about generating video with this particular tool is that it takes forever before one video will generate. Like, it takes time before one video will generate. In fact, after I was able to generate my first video, which is a text to video option that I tried, I was unable to generate video. And this is me telling you that I tested and tried this tool for 3 different days. So it's either they're having an upgrade, or there is a glitch, or there is maintenance ongoing. Whatever it is, I would say just observe and see. If this tool becomes completely free and is working 100%, it's probably going to be one of the best free video generating tool out there because of the options listed. I mean, Seedance, Grok 4.5, and the rest. Now this is our video. Video is ready. Let's watch it.
The future belongs to creators who learn fast.
Now just tell me you're impressed with this option. I'm impressed with it. It is a 9:16 aspect ratio I uploaded. It is text to video. The quality is high quality. It is good. It is clear. But like I said, this video, in fact, the second video I tried to generate got stuck on 99 and was unable to load for over 30 minutes. So like I said, it's possible they're having an upgrade. It's possible they're having some maintenance going or whatever. But this is one of the free AI tools out there that I would say, just check and see to be sure. Next, we'll go to the next video generating tool. This is another tool I tested. To access it, go to your Chrome browser and search for Google Flow. Once you type in Google Flow, you're going to see the first option that pops up with Google Flow. That's Google Labs. Click on it and it takes you to this interface. Now go ahead and click on New Project. It takes you to where you're going to be doing your work. This is a full interface. So to start creating, I'll click on the plus sign at the top of the screen. It takes me directly to my gallery. There I'm going to select my image. So for you can go ahead and upload as many images you want to create on this space. Once I click on it, the image will start uploading. Just give it a little while now and your image will upload to this space. The next step is to just go ahead and click on the image. Just hold and press the image. You're going to see these options here. The next thing is to click on add to prompt. Once you click on add to prompt, the image will appear in the description space ready for you to create. Then you go ahead and paste your prompt. So if you have a prompt you already have from ChatGPT, you can go ahead and paste it. In this case, I'm going to just type my prompt. So I wrote here, I said she says, and I wrote what I wanted her to say. And once you're done with that, click on this video 8x at the bottom of your screen, it takes you to this space where you have video, image. Click on video, select ingredients, select 16:9 aspect ratio. Of course, that's the image ratio we're using here. Leave it at x1, then select your video model. In this case, you just click on it, you see these various video model options. So in this case, I'm going to be using VO 3.1 fast, which is going to take 20 credits from me. So once I do that, I'll hit the arrow and the video will start generating. Now you see the video is generating. Now my feedback on this particular tool is that it is one of the best free AI video generating tools I have tested. Amongst these three, it is top tier, and then it is not completely free because you get 150 credits if you're a new sign up on this platform. If you've been using the tool, you get 50 credits every single day. It refreshes every day. This is the limit with the video, but you're going to see how clear and how powerful and wonderful this tool is. So let's go ahead and see our video is ready. Okay, this is the video, so I'll just press on play and the video will start playing.
The best AI tools are not free, and the free AI tools are not unlimited.
Now you've seen the tools and you've seen the results. Be honest, which one did it for you? Let me know in the comments. And if you want my honest recommendation as an AI creator that is looking to be consistent, you want to grow your pages, your channels, my honest recommendation is that you put in some skin in the game. Invest in your content creation. If you want to be good, you want to grow, and you want to remain consistent, look for a tool you can pay and use without so many restrictions to save you time and energy. So if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe, share. I'll see you in the next one.